Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! Have you wondered what you can do to start a business utilizing government contracts with little or no money in 2022? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what one of the top 5 businesses are. And if you stay to the end, I've got a special bonus for you. So what is one of the top 5 businesses that you can start with very little money by yourself without a lot of overhead? Guess what? Cleaning. That's right. The cleaning industry is exploding. Commercial, residential, and government. And what I love about it is requires very little overhead. You don't have to have an expensive building or anything like that to get started. You can just start with yourself, one person, and you're looking at contracts that are probably going to fit under $100,000 a year. So you're looking at about a $300,000 contract, and it gets better. You can do this without having a lot of past performances. You don't even have to have any past government performances, and you can do it with no bids. Doesn't get any better than that, does it? So what do I love about it? It is why there's not a lot of capital to start up. You need to meet the basic requirements, and there's not a lot of insurance that you need. A lot of things require a lot of insurance, equipment, supplies, overhead, and you don't need any of this, and you don't even need a team. You can start with yourself. So if this sounds good to you, if you're putting it off, then guess what? April to September 30th is the busiest time. And believe it or not, the month of September, about 50% of the bids are actually sent out and awarded. And then 10% are done on the last week and the last day of September. So if you've been putting it off because you don't know where to start or what to do, or do you need it, or do you need a team, or do you need equipment, guess what? All that's been answered. You don't need any of that, but you do need determination. It is all about the mindset. That's what I tell so many people. Now, the next thing you can do, the bonus for staying to the end, I have a quick little cheat sheet. It's a 5-minute read that goes into everything you need to do to get started. It also gives you different links that take you to the various websites, and you can find out about what you can do to win bids with no bidding. This guide is like a cheat sheet all put together to make sure we do that for you. Now, something else you can do if you want even more information is make sure you click the description in the links below for resources on our workshop, complimentary, and more resources on learning even more. Love to see if the workshop space is limited, and if you want that 5-minute cheat sheet all about getting on the fast track to 6 figures with government contracts for cleaning, then make sure you click that link in the description and it'll take you directly to it. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.